Start na tayo for the defining and identifying rational algebraic expression. Ipe-present para mas mag-guide kayo. Rational algebraic expressions can be written in the form of ratio of P and Q, where P and Q are both polynomials and Q is not equal to 0. Meron tayong restrictions dyan. The denominator should not be equal to 0 para matawag siyang rational algebraic expression. Siyempre, meron tayong mga examples. What are the examples of rational algebraic expressions? Okay, ito yung mga yung ipa-flash natin. We have 3x squared over 4. 3x squared plus 2x minus 4 over 4x minus 5. And then 4x plus 3y all over 2x squared minus 3xy plus 4y squared. Parang nakakawindang kasi may variables na, may exponent pa. Dati ang fraction kasi numbers lang. Pero ngayon, since sinamahan natin ng algebra, magkakaroon na talaga siya ng variables and exponent. Siyempre, kailangan pa rin yung restriction, nandiyan pa rin yan, ha? The denominator is not equal to 0. Okay. Kailan natin masasabi na undefined ang rational algebraic expressions? Tingnan natin. In order to identify if the given rational expression is undefined, we have to be able to determine it by the given definition. A rational expression is undefined when the denominator is equal to 0. Ano ba yung denominator? Ito yung number na nasa baba ng ratio per fraction. Okay, examples. Ito yung mga examples natin, ha. Nakikita nyo naman. From the given polynomials, ang kanyang denominator is 0. Like 2x cubed minus 7x over 0 and the like. Next. How to illustrate or identify if the given polynomial is rational or not rational. Okay, tingnan natin yung mga examples. Dito tayo sa rational or not rational. We have the first given, r over 3 plus 8. Is it rational or not rational? Tingnan nga natin. Correct. That is rational. Bakit? The denominator is 3, not equal to 0. Another one. 60 over 2 times 0. Rational or not rational? Let's check. Okay, that is not rational. Bakit? Tingnan natin yung restriction sa denominator. Meron tayong 2 times 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. That's why that is not rational. Another one. X over 7 plus 5 times x. Rational or not? Okay, that is rational. Another one. Y minus 3 over y. Again, the denominator is y, therefore that is rational. Correct. Another example, 1 minus k over k minus 1. That is rational pa rin. Okay, next. X to the 5th over x minus x, that is not rational. Bakit kaya? Again, sa denominator, yung restriction natin na x minus x. X minus x is equal to 0. Therefore, yung restriction para sa rational algebraic expression yan na yun. So, naging undefined na siya, kaya siya naging not rational. Another one. We have x squared minus 9 over s. That is, again, that is rational. Last 3. Y to the 4th minus 2y plus 4 over y. Again, that is also a rational. Last 2. P plus 6 over 0. Kitang-kita na. Na-restrict na ang definition ng rational algebraic expression because of the denominator which is equal to 0. That is not rational. And then the last, b over 2 minus 0 is, baka may malito pa, that is rational. Bakit? Ang denominator is equal to 2. 2 minus 0 is 2. Okay. The title is Write My Number. Okay, ito yung pinag-aralan natin last week, which is translation of verbal phrases or verbal sentences into mathematical sentences. Ia-apply na natin dito. Okay. The ratio of x and 4 less the square of y is? Correct. We have x over 4 minus y squared. The ratio of x and 4 is the quotient, ha? Kaya siya naging x over 2. Next. The cube root of W. The cube root of W. Gagamit na tayo ng radical sign. This will be the correct mathematical expression. Okay? That is the cube root of W. Pakitandaan, may hint na tayo para magsagot kayo ng learning task nyo. Next. A number D added to the ratio of 2 and 7. Don't forget yung mga translation natin ng mga operations, ha? A number D added to the ratio of 2 and 7 is? Okay, correct. That is 2 over 7 plus B. Next. The square of R and the ratio of F and 5 is A. R squared plus F over 5. Next. The product of K and 5 less than the square of A. Medyo madaming translation ng mga operations no, and exponent. That is 5K minus K squared. And then the last, the product of P and Q divided by 9 is PQ over 9. Kung nasa cellphone niya, pwede niyo i-screenshot kasi yan na yung hint nyo para masagutan niyo yung learning test nyo.